Welcome to Online Learning with Rana. I am your instructor Rana. So viewers, let's create a view controller and create a method for view in a model, because just we want to view our categories and brands. Well, okay, this is create a method for view in a model. When we click on it, doesn't go anywhere. So let's create some working in controller and model, and then we will add to HTML to show categories in our view cat file. Okay, this is where we left off in the previous lecture. For that, create a function index line 8 fun. Sorry. Yes. Okay, viewers, the index function is the by default function which is called whenever you call your controller in your view class or in your any class header. It may be a view class. So when a control goes to a controller class, the by default function is index function. So everything that will be included inside in index function, it will be show up or pop up wherever you want it. But when the function is not an index function and by default you have not created it and you have created a new method, so you have to give a path, complete path to call that file or instruction that are written in that method. The example is simple. Let's me create give you us in header. So it's a header. Now it goes to admin. Not yet, not this. Yes. So when we want to add a new category, so we have to give that method, and the instruction that method is all that add new method, or it will give the all data fetch from database and transfer it to your insert class. And when the data is transferred your insert class, and all the data we have received, we show somewhere title and flash data and all that. And now the farm will then send its data back to your controller, and the method add new successfully. So we will save the same way data in that method. So we have to given we have to tell the controller where to go to method. But simply when we call admin cat and under the cat controller, and the default function index will show all the instruction that is written in index. So this is the main function of index when it is called in a controller. Okay, you will understand what I am saying and what my point. Let me create something, and afterward you will understand all the things. Index, create array, name it cat, and okay, reference this, common underscore model, and the method is get all record order by, and give the table name, another string, another string. This common, this model, this common model get all record order by table, categories, order by cat id, order by descending. It's still giving an error. Error is there, or is a bracket? No, it's clear. Common model get record order by, all that. Data, another string, title, data, logged in, this session, user data, which is logged in. Title is categories. Data, total cat, and copy the same one, paste it. After that, reference this, load view, which is base underscore URL, concatenate another, concatenate with the string, which will be view cats, I think we should not give a base URL here, just give a string, which is admin. Under their admin there is a will be view cat that we will create, and comma split it $send that the array data that we will send to this view cats. Save it. Now come to your model. And this one insert query, create a function, get all records order by okay, table name, comma another variable, order by id, comma and sending underscore descending, sending or descending, any instruction that will be received from a controller. When it is then I think let me write it. This db select all, and let me copy this line of code. This db select from table name, this table, and this db order underscore by the variable that we have mapped through controller, ascending descending, and after that this db get functions and kept in a variable result and return the variable result. I think it's clear now. Now we have created a method get all records order by. Okay, so this table name will match again where it is this categories, and let me come here, and this order by value map to this cat id. So we have given instruction in our method that we call in a controller. So and this ascending and descending order will map through the instructions that are given in descending. When it is mapped in our model, so we select all the records from db, table name this one, categories, and order by ascending cat id and cat id, and this db get So get the record from database and kept in a result and return that result to that function get all record order by. So when this method is called in the controller, so it will get the information from database and kept all that information in a total cat and total cat, and let's me okay total cats in the same way in a cat variable, and here we set a array and given a title name from here, manually set categories and session information of user logged in. So this will pass through to that view cats that we will create right now. Okay. In our view admin, create a new file, view cats. Okay, controller delete. So let's me include my header, which is already in that category. Let me copy it, paste it here, and in the same way footer, view gets, and we will create the same let's create that because we will copy in a little lecture, and in beginning lecture we have to create a div id, same HTML that we have already created in insert category, comment it, and main. Div class full width, div class full width, and div class heading title, heading title, and h2 tag, which is showing all categories, h2 tag with all categories, div class entry, and div class separator, which is the bottom borderline, dashed borderline, and inside separator and after that let's create a class table and table head, close your table head, table body, and let me check. Okay, I'm quitting it. and we'll see you in the next lecture. Take care, have a good time.